Hello, welcome to Crafts for a Purpose. Today I'm going to be showing you a super cute craft that you can make super easily with these little tissue paper squares. Here are a few. Here's two, and here's one. They're super cute and really easy to make, and here I put these on a piece of paper. And they're just super cute to make, so let's jump in. Okay, so here's how you make these. You can have any color, but I have white, red, and last of all, green. I don't have any other colors, I don't know why, but you can make, they're really easy to make. I'll show you how to make just those plain little cute ones that I showed you earlier, and then I'll teach you how to make these that will stay on the paper. So you're just going to need these little tissue papers, and you can also do the same thing for larger pieces of tissue paper, but you're going to need a stapler. He's jumping around. And a pair of scissors. Or a pair of scissors, you don't have to have those, but they'll look better if you use them. Okay, so first, you have to take whatever, I'm going to do this design, and you have to have 6 pieces of little tissue paper, or larger tissue paper, as I said earlier in this video. So just put them in a pile, and just try to kind of square them up like this. Then you can just, try to make them in a pretty good pile. Doesn't have to be perfect, and then just take your stapler and staple them like this, so that there's like a cross in the middle, or an X or something. And then you don't have to do this, but it will look better if you do this. You can just cut the edges into like a cute either flowery shape or just a regular old circle. That's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna do a regular old circle. I finally finished cutting them into circles, and I also have a square one to show you that it is okay if you use squares. So here, I'll show you how to do this. So you just have to take the top layer of the tissue paper, because you have 6 layers of tissue paper. You just want to bring it up and scrunch it. Super easy. And once you do all, and then you just take the second layer, bring it up, and squish it down. Super easy to do. So you just keep doing that. Bring it up the top layer, one at a time, until you reach the bottom layer. Bring it up, crunch it down, and once you get to the last layer, it's a lot easier if you just turn it upside down and push it down. Just do the same thing, and just scrunch it up till it looks like this. Really scrunched up thing. Then you just want to kind of puff it out a little bit, like this. Just pull it out a little bit. And there you go. You have your finished cute little flower. I'll get back to you when I have finished the rest of the flowers. Okay, I finally finished putting these on. I just put 4 on this one, so you basically follow the same steps. Just take up the first one, squeeze it, take up the second one, squeeze it, take up the third one. And this doesn't have to be perfect unless you really want it to be perfect, but I just like it. I kind of like the messier look. It looks more homemade, and I just really like it. So, it's yours, and you can do whatever design you want with it. 5th, And finally, the 6th. Pinch it, fluff it up. There you go. I'll see you when I'm finished with the rest of them. Okay, I finally finished this and it looks super cute, and you can always just make it whatever way you want, and I have some super creative ideas for these. Just wanted to show you. So what would be really cute for these is you could just like staple them on or something, or just staple them onto a card and it'll look super cute. And this you can just staple onto a project just to make it look super cute. And yeah, I just want to show you these super cute cards that I made in my last video. If you want to learn how to make them, they're in my last video, and I will be selling these. If you want to buy them, just look down in the comments below. I hope you liked my video. Please give it a big thumbs up. See you later.